Do you know what oils you are consuming daily could be harmful to your health? We're about to dive into an intriguing discussion about the oils that could be lurking in your kitchen, doing more harm than good. We'll take a closer look at 5 particularly detrimental oils, such as palm oil and margarine, and explore their health impacts. But don't worry, it's not all doom and gloom. We'll also reveal healthier alternatives for each one. Stay tuned to know more about the harmful effects of these oils and the healthier alternatives. The first culprit on our list is palm oil. Now don't be fooled by its benign name. This oil is a wolf in sheep's clothing. High in saturated fats, it's a silent assassin, stealthily increasing your risk of cardiovascular disease. But the damage doesn't stop at your heart. Palm oil production is a significant contributor to deforestation, making it harmful to both you and the environment. And here's the kicker. You can find it lurking in many processed foods. From your favorite cookies to your go-to instant noodles, palm oil has made itself comfortably at home. But don't despair. There are healthier, more sustainable alternatives out there. Consider oils like coconut or olive oil, which are both lower in saturated fats and more eco-friendly. So the next time you shop, be sure to check the ingredients. Look beyond the enticing packaging and make sure palm oil isn't sneaking into your shopping cart. The second harmful oil is margarine, also known as hydrogenated oils. Now, don't be fooled by its creamy texture or the fact it's often marketed as a healthy alternative to butter. Margarine is far from a friend to your health. Packed with trans fats, this deceptive spread can lead to serious cardiovascular and inflammatory issues. Trans fats are notorious for increasing bad LDL cholesterol levels while lowering good HDL cholesterol. This double whammy effect can escalate the risk of heart disease and stroke. Plus, chronic inflammation caused by these fats can pave the way for a host of other health problems. So what's the alternative? Well, consider going back to basics. Natural options like butter or avocado spread are far better choices. They provide essential nutrients without the harmful trans fats. And here's a golden rule to remember when choosing between processed and natural. Remember, natural is always better. Third on the list is soybean oil. This widely used oil is a wolf in sheep's clothing. It's high in omega-6 fatty acids, which sounds healthy, but the problem lies in the balance. Our bodies need a balanced ratio of omega-3 to omega-6 fatty acids. However, soybean oil disrupts this harmony, tipping the scales towards omega-6, which promotes inflammation. Inflammation, if left unchecked, can lead to a host of health problems, from heart disease to arthritis. The deceptive part is that soybean oil is prevalent in a myriad of processed foods. It's often hidden under the guise of vegetable oil on ingredient lists, making it all the more important to read labels carefully. But don't despair, there are healthier alternatives to choose from. Oils like olive oil and avocado oil are not only delicious but also offer a better balance of these crucial fatty acids. Choose wisely for a healthy life. Fourth on the list is corn oil. This common cooking ingredient might be in your pantry right now. But did you know? Corn oil is often highly refined and packed with omega-6 fatty acids. This imbalance promotes inflammation and oxidative stress in your body. Oxidative stress is like a rusting process at a cellular level. It damages your cells and can lead to a multitude of health issues over time, including heart disease and certain types of cancer. So, what's the solution? You can replace corn oil with healthier alternatives such as olive oil or walnut oil. These oils offer a better balance of omega-3 to omega-6 fatty acids, helping to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. They also taste great and can enhance your culinary creations. Remember, making a small switch in your cooking oil can make a significant difference in your health. Your health is worth more than convenience. Last but not least on the harmful list is vegetable oil. This seemingly innocent oil can be a wolf in sheep's clothing, often a mix of low-quality, highly processed oils. And it's not just the processing that's problematic. These blends typically contain trans fats and are high in omega-6 fatty acids. Remember, it's this kind of imbalance that promotes inflammation in the body. So what's the solution? The key is to be a savvy shopper. Avoid falling into the trap of generic vegetable oil. Instead, look for named oils on the label, such as avocado or coconut. These are usually less processed and have a healthier balance of fatty acids. Also, consider your cooking needs. Some oils, like olive oil, are great for low-heat cooking or dressing salads, while others, like coconut oil, can withstand higher temperatures. Remember, it's all about making informed choices. Read labels and make informed choices. Now that you know the harmful oils, let's discuss some key insights for choosing and using oils. When it comes to selecting oils, always look for those labeled as first cold pressed. This means the oil retains more nutrients than its refined counterparts, due to the gentle extraction process that doesn't involve high heat or chemicals. Be on high alert for trans fats. These are often hidden in processed foods and can raise your bad cholesterol levels while lowering the good ones. Always check the labels to ensure you're not inadvertently consuming these harmful fats. Next, prioritize oils rich in omega-3 fatty acids and limit your intake of omega-6. An imbalance between these two can lead to inflammation, a root cause of many chronic diseases. Now let's talk about refined versus unrefined oils. Unrefined oils are less processed and thus retain more of their natural nutrients. Use these oils for their nutritional benefits, reserving refined oils for high-heat cooking, where their lack of impurities prevent them from breaking down and producing harmful compounds. The way you store your oils also matters. Choose oils sold in dark glass or metal containers, as they protect the oil from light damage, which can lead to degradation and loss of flavor. Freshness is key when it comes to oils. Rancid oils are not just unpleasant to taste, they can be harmful to your health. Always check for a fresh taste and aroma before using. Lastly, be aware of the smoke point of your oils. This is the temperature at which the oil starts to smoke and break down, producing harmful compounds. Match the oil with your cooking method. For example, use high smoke point oils for frying and delicate oils for salads. Remember these tips next time you are in the oil aisle. So we have discussed the 5 most harmful oils and their healthier alternatives. Let's take a moment to quickly recap what we've learned today. Palm oil, despite its widespread use, can be a silent adversary to your health, with its high saturated fat content contributing to cardiovascular diseases. Not to mention, its production often leads to devastating deforestation. Whenever possible, opt for sustainably sourced alternatives. Then we have margarine, or hydrogenated oils, as they're known. This seemingly innocent spread is packed with trans fats, a leading cause of cardiovascular and inflammatory issues. It's always a smarter choice to go for natural options like butter or an avocado spread. Next in line is soybean oil. Its high omega-6 fatty acid content disrupts the balance between omega-3 and omega-6 in our bodies, promoting inflammation. Aim to use healthier oils like olive or avocado when cooking to maintain that crucial balance. Corn oil, often highly refined and rich in omega-6 fatty acids, can induce inflammation and oxidative stress. Healthier oils such as olive or walnut can serve as excellent replacements for a better omega balance. Lastly, the generic vegetable oil is typically a blend of low-quality, highly processed oils, brimming with trans fats and high omega-6 content. Always read the labels and choose named oils like avocado or coconut. But it's not just about what oils to avoid. It's equally important to know how to choose and use the right oils. Look for oils that are first cold pressed, as they retain more nutrients compared to refined oils. Always be on the lookout for trans fats, especially in processed foods. Prioritize oils rich in omega-3 and limit omega-6 intake to avoid inflammation. Opt for unrefined oils for their nutritional benefits, while saving refined oils for high-heat cooking. Store your oils in dark glass or metal containers to protect them from light damage. Always remember that freshness matters. Rancid oils can be harmful, so check for a fresh taste and aroma. And finally, be aware of the smoke point of your oil. Match the oil with your cooking method. For instance, use high smoke point oils for frying and delicate oils for salads. The journey towards living a healthier life starts with making informed choices, and we hope this video has helped you take a step in that direction. We encourage you to share this information with your loved ones and help them make healthier choices too. After all, good health is the greatest gift we can give and receive. Stay healthy, and make informed choices. Until next time, take care.